Heroes, this is Gus from the Hero Academy. If this transmission looks a little sideways, this is not your screen. That is not your Wi Fi. That is not because someone dropped the tablet. It's the gravity system. Thanks to your shield launcher missions, the Hero Hub defense grid is back online. The shields are stabilizing, the target system is improving, and we are officially past the halfway point. But Glitch Gus did not like that, not one bit. And he has scrambled the gravity controls. Objects are flipping. Systems are tipping. Water bottles are landing where water bottles absolutely should not land. And I just watched a pencil roll uphill, which is scientifically suspicious. The entire Hero Hub will collapse. Your recruits cannot predict the landing. Okay, so first of all, Glitch Gus is really committed to the drama. Second of all, heroes, did you hear what he said? He thinks we cannot predict the landing. Well, guess what? We do not need to guess. We can test. We can count. We can record results. And we can use probability to figure out what's really happening here. This week's mission is Gravity Reset. This week, you will test a bottle flip challenge to help reset the Hero Hub gravity system. You will flip a bottle, like mine, record what happens, and compare the results. Sometimes the bottle will land. Sometimes it will fall. Sometimes it will do that weird half bounce wobble where everyone freezes and stares at it like you're about to make history. That is science, dramatic science. Before you activate the gravity reset, complete the reading unlock. This week's reading unlock is write 2 facts and 1 opinion from your book. A fact is something that can be proven true. An opinion is what someone thinks, feels, or believes. For example, fact, the character lives in a treehouse. Opinion, that treehouse is the coolest place ever. Heroes need to know the difference between facts and opinions because facts are what helps us make strong decisions. And opinions, well, they help us explain what we really think. Also, my opinion is that Glitch Gus needs a new hobby. Now for the math mission. You will complete a bottle flip experiment. Depending on your grade band, you may flip the bottles a set number of times. Count how many times it lands. Record successful and unsuccessful trials. Write your result as a fraction. Convert it to a decimal or a percent. Compare experimental probabilities or theoretical probabilities. For our older heroes, especially engineers, you may be flipping a bottle up to 50 times and using the data to calculate probability. Remember, theoretical probability is what we expect could happen. Experimental probability is what actually happens when we test it. Sometimes what actually happens is the bottle betrays you, but we could still record the data. Even betrayal counts as data. This week, Gus's memory hack is flip with the fluid just like we knew it. Say it with me. Flip with the fluid just like we knew it. That means the amount of water inside the bottle can affect how it moves, flips, and lands. The water shifts while the bottle spins. That movement can help the bottle slow down and land more smoothly. So don't just flip wildly. Observe the water, watch the motion, track the landing. That's how we reset gravity. For this week's mission, you may need a plastic water bottle, water, paper, pencil, a table or data chart, a safe open space for flipping. Safety reminder, do not flip the bottle near breakable objects. Do not flip it near anyone's face. Do not flip it on the jog. Do not flip it somewhere where someone will yell, "Who spilled water everywhere?" Heroes test responsibly. Well, mostly. When your mission is complete, upload your proof of power to the Padlet. You can upload a photo of your bottle flip setup, a picture of your data table, a short video of a successful landing, your probability results, your 2 facts and 1 opinion reading response, then add your sticker or check to week 5 of our Master Hero Map. Mission 5 means the Hero Hub is more than halfway restored. That's not just progress, that is momentum. And I think Glitch Gus can feel it. Need help with your mission? Come to the Hero Hub mission check-in on Tuesday from 9 to 12. Bring your hero packet, your hero map, the bottle, if you want to test at school, or I will have some bottles, your reading response, and your best "I will not launch water across the floor" energy. We can test, count, record, and calculate together.
Flip, fall, fail.
Heroes, I think Glitch Gus just gave us our clue. He said flip, fall, fail, but we know better. Flip, test, record, adjust. This is how heroes learn. That is how scientists work. And that is how we take gravity back. Your gravity reset mission starts now. Flip the bottle, track the data, find the probability, restore the gravity controls, and heroes, I'm seeing something strange in the system now. The gravity field is stabilizing, but the Hero Hub movement sensors are glitching. Stride trackers are blinking. Distance scanners are frozen. And the system is asking for one thing: a hero with a strong step. Next week, we may need to measure movement itself. Stay balanced, recruits. Gus out.